Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for AVAX Avalanche price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and drop your questions and comments below. I will be glad to answer it. So starting guys with AVAX on the daily chart, we're starting of course with the bullish scenario where we are looking at a possibly finished a wave 1 or possibly finished wave A, as of course here as an impulse, possibly of course in an hour. This is very choppy. However, it's still maybe can consider this wave A or wave 1. And we are looking possibly at also finished a zigzag towards the downside, or I would call it WXY, because it doesn't really look like so much like an A, B, and a C. Since your wave C is a zigzag as well, this might be also a zigzag for your wave Y, and also an X here, which it can be anything, a zigzag or something else. So yeah, it might has finished as a wave B or a wave 2, since we are in a 1 or A. Therefore, you are looking for A, B, and a C, or a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, even higher and higher than a wave C. In that case scenario, of course, you are looking after this. You need to look at a impulse, right? So, and as you can see here, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished impulse potentially. However, it can be even like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 1 here can be an internal for your wave 3, of course, and this might play as a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 continuation towards the upside. Now, of course, there is a bearish scenario for this thing where you might look at A, B, and a C. Yeah, where your wave A is already a finished impulse here, and then correction, and then another impulse here. Yeah, possibly, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, it can be. Let's just take a look. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, this wave is a little bit shaky, guys, even for wave 5. I don't like it because, of course, we have hit again here. So if you are a 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, possibly, okay, it can work as a big 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4, and a 5 very internally. Okay, so let's check anyway. Let us check it a little bit more closer, because that is very important. It gives us much more higher probability, bullish or bearish actually. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's normal. A, B, C, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay, that's normal. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 and a 5, still normal. Okay, here we took the low. No, it's broken, guys. It's not an impulse. It cannot be considered as an impulse. It's a broken one. However, it's still the only way is to take it like this, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your wave 4, but has reached here your wave 1, which is not allowed as an impulse, and then it transforms it into a expanding diagonal, which is the most rare. And yeah, so I would call this, to be honest, something else. It can be an ABC, and then ABC, and then ABC, so WXY again. Okay, if that is the WXY 3 ways, therefore all of this can be a WXY, a W, X, and a Y. Okay, in that case scenario, just because of the choppy price action here. Now, of course, let's proceed with the bullish scenario, because the bullish scenario, of course, still look a little bit impulsive, right? From the outside, you see, wow, it's a huge impulse. However, let's keep the bullish scenario, of course, alive. And I know that it might be a choppy price. Nobody knows. It can be some deviation sometimes with Elliott wave. It doesn't have to be always 100%. So after this, we are looking at a possible A, B, and a C, of course, for a wave 2, or yeah, probably even 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your 4 took the wick here of your wave 1. Therefore, of course, we cannot call it impulse as well. But this is still an impulse, A. This is a B, and this might be, yeah, again, WXY. I mean, it looks like a zigzag. Again, WXY, it doesn't matter. So it's a wave 2, it's corrective, and then here we go. We start to move towards the upside. Now, of course, you can see this pitchfork channel taken from your base wave 1 here and your wave 2, of course. We have based our channel on it, taking from the start to the wave 1. And you can see that the price has somehow tried to follow this channel, right? It's trying to follow this channel. However, it doesn't really look impulsive yet, because what we are looking at here is 3 waves up and then 3 waves down, 3 waves up and then 3 waves down, which give us a little bit more clue that we might be in an expanding, in a contracting diagonal. However, still very, very tricky, because we are very, very close from invalidation of this contracting diagonal. So if we take this same trend here we go. Once you break this trend line, you cannot call this a contracting diagonal anymore, because therefore this wave, if we break this line, this wave automatically is going to be bigger than your wave 2 or longer than your wave 2. And that is not allowed, where you already see that, yeah, this might be even be longer now. Of course, in height is not, but yeah, if we break this in height, then of course it's going to be longer, guys. And that is not allowed. Therefore, of course, yeah, in time it can range more, but in price it's not allowed. This is what I mean with it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 possibly, okay, if it gather itself again, but it doesn't look like. However, this of course looks also corrective. Therefore, this should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a zigzag ABC, and then another zigzag to finish, of course, this wave 5 as contracting diagonal. In that case scenario, of course, your target, let's have some target on the daily here. If we take our wave 3 here, and we based our wave 4, your wave 5 as diagonal should have the perfect level in this area here, where we want to finish, of course, is this diagonal as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, so yeah, so far if we are still inside this channel and inside this trend line, therefore, okay, I would consider that we still looking for a bullish scenario so far. If we break this trend lines, this is your first signal that we are going bearish, because there is no impulse anymore, there is nothing motive here. And of course, we might break this main channel again and move for a bearish scenario. And that all what we saw here and we analyzed in this wave might be very, very true, that this might not be a good and healthy wave 5, and Elliott wave is 100% working well. So let's watch and see what's gonna happen, guys. So let's move to the bearish scenario in that case. Your bearish scenario, here we go. We have several bearish scenarios, guys. First one, very obvious from the trend line. It looks like a triangle as A, B, C, D, and possibly wave E towards the upside. So you have, possibly you have got here your wave D button, possibly not, guys. Okay, so possibly that it's not yet, because as you can see, the trend line still a little bit more, can be more or less yeah, angled, right? So we might even dive deeper and then move up again, nobody knows. However, still bearish, right? We are still looking for a wave D. Another possible scenario is, of course, an A and then a B. Your wave B did not finish yet. Since you have an A here and you are looking for a wave B towards the upside, of course, you want to seek, of course, yeah, for more lower prices as 3 waves corrective and then move up, right? So so A, B, well, why I have many counts here? Okay, let me adjust just A, B. Sorry, this was for the triangle. Okay, so let's put them in different colors. Okay, so the triangle is yellow. All right, yeah, we are looking for a bigger correction as an A as well, and then your B is here, and then your C is up. Okay, So of course this is kind of like should be primary, okay, because this is the biggest scenario, right? Here we go. So your wave A and what? Okay, yeah, you have an A, B, and a C. Again, this is I get lost with the triangle again. However, if I get lost, then you are getting lost too, guys. So I'm gonna make this simple. Let's remove this. We can keep this, yeah, because we might need it. So this is a triangle here, and then your wave B should be, of course, A, B, and a C. Exactly, A, B, and a C. And this should be a very low minor count, even less. Let's put it in this count. Sorry, here we go. All right, so now it's clear. Yeah, so in that case scenario, you are looking, of course, for A, B, and a C to finish your wave B, and then move up again towards the upside. And of course, since you have here already 3 waves down, as we mentioned, this is a WXY here, and then you have also another WXY, possibly as a zigzag, and then again you want to look here for 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 to finish your wave B, right? And in that case scenario, we have to consider this is as diagonal here, right? As a contracting diagonal. So if we take here the 1, if we take the 1 till here, and yeah, the 2 to the 4, still can work as a contracting diagonal and still can work as your wave 1. And here you possibly finished your wave 2, since we are very dangerous here. Yeah, it doesn't look really nice. Yeah, therefore possibly we are looking for a big wave 3, and then 4, and then 5 towards the downside. So let's adjust also this path. I don't know why it is like this. Sometimes I do things very fast. Yeah, here we go. After this, you want to seek for a wave C towards the upside to be impulsive, of course. Yeah, so let's watch and see. Don't forget as well your A, B, C, D, E, that it might also be like this. Okay, so it can be a little bit bearish, and then it can be bullish again. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and sorry for the very deep technical stuff here that I went to. But I hope that this is interesting for you as well, to see where the things goes wrong, where it goes right. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.